To set alarm clock on the Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all you will have to open all apps screen by clicking on the button, and then you will have to just select this icon. Now you can click on the plus to add new alarm. First of all we have to pick the time, so by moving the crown control you can change it, but also you can do this with your finger. So let's set this timer, for example, for 7 AM. And now click on the switcher to confirm. Now as you can see, our alarm is going to ring in next hours. When you click here, you can customize it. So you can turn on and off vibration, you can turn on and off sound, and below you can also set the repeat. So we can get it for one time, but let's say that I want to get it for Tuesday and Wednesday. And now click here to confirm. Now as you can see, that's how it looks. If you want to delete this alarm, you will have to click here, but if you want to confirm, click here. You are go back into the main screen, and of course you can create the multiple alarms if you want. Take a look. And here you can turn them on and off by clicking on the switcher. Thanks for watching.